It's kind of funny too because the break point is at 90, 91. That's kind of weird. It's right there at 90, 90, 91. They're going to try to hold that 90.50 right there if they can. Oh, there they go, they're losing it. Well, I tell you, boom. See anything under 90, guys? Anything under 90, you're done. Can't be in it. But what the Bears don't know is they really ain't got nowhere to go unless they break 83. The Bears have to break this level down here, guys, right about here to make things work for them. So if they can't get down there, it won't happen. It's just going to pull back against them. If they do break the 83, 84 level, it will come down. See, when you know where they got to break to go down, it makes your trading easier so you can hold trades. You don't care about the pullback because you know they got to break a certain level. We're just going to go up here and add some more. So as we break 801. So we get 812, man. Gee whiz, we just need to add and keep adding and keep adding and just keep going. Just want these guys to get above the 7 up here. I really want to see these bulls push to 7. So we can just fly. But we're going to be crazy for a while, I guess. Definitely got to hold the 92 here. 92 and above. You got 90, 92 both right there. They're real problems. See, now we know the Bears are stuck right here. This is their level right here, guys. Right there. There's their level. They have to come to 85 to make things work for them. So as long as you're above 85, no stress. Come on, just go to 811. Let's get it done. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Get right for it at 98. I'm waiting on this 98 level, guys. Remember, 95 is where they shorted us. You be careful of this 95 area. There it comes again. It's stupid people, I swear. You're going to try it again, guys. Look. Here they go again. Right at 95 again. Unbelievable. Gotta be kidding me. It's like the third time, guys. Buy there to 95, 96. Get crazy with this one. Just get crazy with them. See if we can hold this 96 level now. We know that the 90 is crucial anyway. So this moves our targets back up here to about where we need to be out anyway. So this moves your price targets right where the exit is. So this will be a break even. This will be a break even trade. You can't go under this anyway. So you would put a break even on this and just let her go. If she hits your stop, you're not losing anything. Or if it goes completely crazy massive, you're going to make a ton of money. Or you can just take your grain and get out. I guess you can do it that way. Put right there. Right there. That's the key. That's where everybody went short this morning. And that's where the longs are trying to fight the shorts here. Because that's where the bears went short this morning at 94.75. And we're trying to fight them to hold it. Can we win this battle? Is the question. Talking about stacking some trades. Man, I could stack some longs all up in here. I could stack longs at like 80, like right here at this 90 level. When she pulls back all the way to right in here. Right about 91, 92. Especially right about 92. That's a good place to stack against these fools. Why don't you come right back to 92? Every single time. So eventually we're going to trap these bears and we're going to take these guys to the cleaners. If we ever hold 94 and get going 95, this thing is going to be done. But right now they're really fighting us hard in this one. They don't want this thing going up today. They want this market to stay stupid. Come on, Bulls. Gee whiz. How long are you going to play this game with these guys? If we don't establish it, we'll just let them have it. Because right now the Bears have major power. They could really run the shit out of this if they wanted to. They got 57.4 now. So they got enough room to really make this thing go down again, but it just depends if we can hold it or not. That's a good hold level at 98 there. 98's a beautiful level for us. We just got to get up here to this 98 and hold this thing. Because we would like to push this market about this 99, 800. Coming right back down to there. They're trying to form a little small M, as you guys can see. And the break of the M pattern they're trying to form is right here, right where I'm sitting. Try to go, go, go. Let's go. There we go. Come on, boys. Take this up to 11.75 would be nice. There we go. Our biggest problem is going to be 925, I think. 925 and 1175. We're above the 7, so that's a good thing. That's where I wanted to be, above the 7 right here. Definitely got to hold the 7. Definitely got to be above 7, guys. 7 and 2. You got to stay above this 2 right here to make this work. Sorry. There you go. 2. 2 and 7. 2, 7, 2, 7, and 11. And guess what the Bulls are going to try to do? They're going to try to jump in at 6, 6-5. Right about there. Here's where the Bulls are going to try to enter the market, right there. It's going to be your big Bulls. They're going to get there and hold this shit. That's where they're going to get in at, though. That's where they're going to add contracts right there, that 65. Because now it's 65 on the upside and 94.75 on the downside. So 65 makes a lot of sense. They just got to get past that. Come on, guys. They're trying to keep it away from them boys up top. Look at that shit. They're not letting them have that shit at all up there. Which doesn't mean a thing because they're going right back down and come right back up again. Big fake down to go right back up. Unless they break the 90. It's all about taking those contracts, taking those stop losses. Good trade, though. This is going to be hilarious right here, guys. Watch how dumb this is getting ready to be. This is going to be dumb right here. These market people are smart as crap. Because what they'll do is they'll try to get these structured longs around this 94 again. To bring this back to 98 again. Hope you guys enjoyed this morning, guys. I think we've had a pretty good time this morning trading. Anybody catch any of this? Anybody catch some moves off of this thing? Off this 94, 90 level? Nobody? See, I know this is a game. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Now we know we're getting double flags here. These Bears are being stupid. These Bulls are probably going to get killed right here if they don't hold this. We need to hold this 97, 98 level. If we don't, we're probably going to get smoked. If it gets back under 90, if it gets back under 92, we're probably going to get killed, but maybe not. We'll see what they're going to do with us. Come on, boys, push it. Let's go. Remember, guys, I said about the game we're playing, and I wasn't worried about it. Because I know these market makers, what they're trying to do here. They're trying to push this thing home. And they're going to pull it back on purpose to take stops. Because they're trying to get 625 to add their contracts. That's where they're trying to go. I want to get that big move out of this. The market went to 11, but on the candle chart, I do believe, close to it, because 11.75, guys, is the FTR for the Terminator. It's sitting right here at 11.25. right there. Oh, shit. No, there. So basically, we went all the way up to about almost 10, about 9 last time, which makes sense because you got to be above the 9 to make it work anyway, because there's a level right here at 9 and 10 together. Oh, come on. So as long as I'm above 93 here, I'm okay. Just gonna hold it past 90. If it's 93, I'm getting out. And there it is. Nope, not yet. There's 94. Trying to hold that 93 area right there. Done. Don't want to go any lower than that for sure. You don't want to be under 93 because it'll kill you. Because the bulls want the long right there. That's where they're trying to go long up here. They're trying to go long around 97, 98, guys. But they got to be careful here because it only goes so far and they get dumped on every time. They want to hold 98, and then they want to hold the 6. They just can't seem to get to the 6, which is ridiculous. They should have already been there. Because they're trying to get their contracts right here. They just can't seem to get to it. Come on, get up there. Quit being stupid. That's just unbelievable. Come on, guys. Give me a break. Man alive. This freaking Dow trade, guys. You gotta be kidding me. Look where we're at on the Dow. 35, 129 off the bounce of our gravity level. We ain't selling yet, boys. 743, 843, 943, over 200 points. Way over 200 points on that move. That's just insanity. It's still going. Just gonna let it go. I think, let's see, like one. Are we going to go to 200? I think 186 maybe. 143 would be great. Be 300 points at 143. 124. They ain't got far to go. Nah, this freaking NASDAQ. I'm just done with it. Not doing any more of that shit right now. It's just playing games, guys. Of course, it's that time of day. It's 11 o'clock. We're just going to go sideways here for a while. But we got to break the 800, guys. 806 is the key here. Oh, I know, man. That YM is absolutely stupid. That's a trade right there, man. This has been going all morning. So is oil. Oil took the bounce up to that 74.55 level I called, and it hasn't looked back. It's a 75.50 right now. Those two trades alone right there are just massive amounts of money. That whole trade's like friggin' $5,000, $6,000. The Dow's like up to like 9,000 right now. It's just stupidness. The Dow ain't done. I'll wait for the Dow to get to 43 and see if it'll be a 300-point move. That's just insanity. So Rizzler, they took our, is he still in it? Yeah, Rizzler's still in it. So they took our Charlotte Motor Speedway track down last night. They put up Langley Oval Short Track.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. That's insanity. It's fun as crap, though. I read it like 2 times last night, 2 or 3 times. I was trying to get the stream. I streamed a little bit, but nobody came in, so.
Oh, you should have added me. I was around. I was working on an algo with some other friends.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I took 3rd and 4th. That wasn't too bad. But man, I just kind of figured out what they're doing on that one. It took a while. I had to practice on it a few. I watched this one guy though. He was running it, and I guess he's some stock car driver because everybody knew he was. He ran a 30. What was it? No, he ran a 16.65, I think it was. I was like, damn, this guy's flying around this thing. But I was running pretty good though. I was turning 16.8s, and I was right there in 2nd and 3rd place all the time. So I was hanging right with him. But I was watching him run it like I just followed him. He'd come up high and go way low. Come up high and go way low. He was running about 74, about 71, 72 in the turns. He'd gun it to like 90 mile an hour to the next turn. He'd come right back to 74 mile an hour and take the turn. So I kind of watched him do it and studied him, and that's what I started doing right behind him. I was like, yeah, set that pace. It was great, man. Everybody's like, yeah, man, this he's actually a pro driver. I'm like, really? I didn't know that. Like, yeah, I forget his name, but yeah, he was in a running. He was turning 16.5, so you know what he was doing.
Yeah, no kidding. 16.5s.
He's flat hauling ass.
Yeah, I was thinking about just hooking up my joystick to my my controller to my laptop so I could see if I could just use it to play.
Yeah, you can. You can Xbox controller too. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, or I'll just walk upstairs, hook up my laptop. I saw the fee. It's like $8 a month. It's not bad.
Yeah. Well, I only pay like $8, $9 a month or something. It's cool. I pay like 11 for my truck simulator. I got the American Truck Simulator. I love that thing.
Oh man, look at you.
Yeah. You drive semis around the country because I got. And what's really neat about it is it has all the road signs and like everything, like the mile markers, everything out there. You'd see like all the graphics and stuff. I don't know how they done it. I mean, it's just unreal. Everything is exactly like it's supposed to look. Look at this thing, guys. Freaking 800 trying to go longer. They're flagged for longs here, guys, at this 802, but the big market makers are trying to flag these longs here, guys, off of 98 and 802. And we just can't seem to hold it. Yeah, it'll work, though. Your joystick will work. So will the Xbox controller, too. I didn't even know an Xbox controller would work. Shit. I got like 4 of them. I got them because my grandkids come over here and my grandson loves to play too. So I play him football and beat him.
Nice. I can't beat my son. My sons, they play way too much games.
Yeah.
Nowhere near as good as they are.
Yeah, my little grandson's like 9. He's like, yeah, he's really good at Call of Duty. They all love Call of Duty, all the young kids.
Yeah, I'll play some Call of Duty.
Yeah,
I'm okay at that.
Yeah, he'll call me and say, "Did you get the new update?" I'm like, "No." Get you the update. And he's got a little friend. He's got like 4 or 5 little friends. They all chase me around the map with shotguns. I go hide and shit. It's pretty fun though.
Yeah, that's kids are great.
Yeah, just spend time with them while you can, because boy, they grow up fast. My daughter graduates from college this month. Time flies. She's got her physical therapy or respiratory therapist degree. She's gonna do that, she said, and then she wants to go back for, I guess she's gonna keep going in it. But I told her, if you like, that's what you like, do it. You know, should have been a day trader, but that's okay. Whatever. I told my son-in-law, I told him, I said, I'm going to make you a day trader. He's like, I don't know, but he's got some kind of business he works in with a guy, but they do some kind of something here in Florida to do with this city water thing or something. I don't know, some kind of weird system they got. I think they got 890 houses a month they do or something like that. It's a lot. He's always busy. But I told him, hey, it's good for 25. Works hard.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Let's go do something here. This thing is absolutely stupid. It's going to be noon. When 12 o'clock comes, guys, it's going to be the 12 o'clock run. Look at this crap. See, these bears want to gap this down, guys, because they would like to gap it down to 83. Because 83 is where they want to go, right here. It's like 83 right there. It's actually 83.75, so that's where they're trying to get to, right there. If they can't make it work, it'll bounce off. If they get down there, it'll probably bounce off and go long again. Watch them come right to it. It's hilarious. Take long to figure these fools out. They just keep playing games with money here because people are trying to go long and short, and as long as they do, they'll keep structuring that 94 down to 83. 83 bounce back. Now see, the 83 bounces right back to 93. So you got 83.75 right here, right in that level right there, right on it. 84. So they'll try to get this 84 level right there. And if you can't hold 84 right here, then it bounces off 84 and goes right back to 93. But if they do get 84, their next target down would be 79, which would come right here just about, it just touched 79. We'll be right back up. Because remember, the bear sell level is down here at 80. Well, actually, yeah, it's right on 80. So they got a sell level sitting right here. That's what they're trying to break, trying to get under their sell level. Because they want to go back down to 72 again. So if you can get under 80 and hold 80, it'll come down and hit 80, 75, and then 72. But if you can't, it'll bounce off that 80 and go right back up. Especially 84. $84, 88. 88 hold. See the 88 right there? The 88 goes right back to 93. This is why the bulls want to hold 88, because it goes back to 93. Right here. You can just kind of see it's a game they're playing. 83 down to 80. Let's see if they can't hold this 80 level. And the Bulls know they can't hold it. So if they can't hold it, but they could hold it, they got plenty of room to hold this. These Bears got momentum if they just use it. And there it comes. Because they want to break underneath this level right here. If they can start this 71 move down here, it would get really cool for them. But if you can get under 71 down here, this is where they're really trying to get to blast this thing. That's where they really want to be. 71.69. It's kind of funny because right here at what's that, 71.50. Let's just take one of these down here and put up here. Let's take this one right here. Right there. So you got the 73 right here is a 2 moving average. 71.50 right here. The 71.50 level right there, guys, is definitely where the market makers are sitting. it's where they're sitting at. The big money's sitting right here. Right there. And that's what the problem is. The Bears want to go under that big money level. It's actually 71. Well, 71's fine right there. The bottom side of this blue level right here. About 71, 71.25 right here. And that's the problem for the Bears. Look at this shit, 93 again. $93 to $98. Or 93 pullback, 88. Boy, they're taking all kinds of money right now. This chart looks like crap. The candle chart. So make sure you guys keep your marker at 806.25 because 806.25 is where these bulls want to go long. It's still marked. They just can't get up there to it. Because they got bull bears at 93, bull bears at 801. Bull bears, the 40 moving average is sitting at the 5. So this kind of becomes crazy. Terrible Tuesday. Terrible Tuesday for the people that missed it because this was great this morning. We took the big short. We got a couple big moves in here and a couple good longs, so we're good. We just need this thing to do its thing and go back up. 806.25 right there. That's where they all were trying to get earlier. They got shorted. It went up there earlier and shorted back down. Because that 6 would run us to 11 or 12. Then we break that, we go to probably about 12, 13, 16. Yeah, we go to 9, 18, and then we break this one right here. So we got to get this 9, 16, and then here. At 98, though, 98's a monster level. Let's see if the Bulls get their target this time. Because they're structuring off this trade these longs off 98, guys. 98 and 801. That's the longs. 98, 801. That's where they're trying to go. Or 802, you could say 98, 802. See if they get up there this time. Can't do it. Unbelievable. Let's see if it gets shorted again here. That's where they're trying to go, though. That's their target, guys. That's where they're trying. That's their target off 98. It's at 806. They got to get 806 to work here off that 98, 802 loan. This is the continuation, and they know it, so they got to break it. Right to the 11, just like we said. They got to break that 11, guys. So that's why it's called the 11 target. You go 6 to 11. We'll try to press this 11 because we got to break the 9 and 11 both. The 9's the first one, 925 and 1125. No, actually, it's 1175. Once you get above 1175, it's home sweet home. Then we're going to roll. We're going to run this 12 area, like I said. We're going to fly up through here. Look at that shit. Come on, boys. Let's hold this and go. Get that 11. Let's 12. Let's just keep above this 11 here. I told you they were looking for entries there, guys. Perfect place for the entry because that's where they're all sitting. That's where they tried. They shorted us there this morning, and the 94 both. So we're going based off what they did this morning. Now it'll come up here and hit the 16 like it just hit the 16, guys. It originally hit the 16 because that's the top of the range right there. 16 is your top of your range. So this is the top of the range right here. Right there. 16 even. 16. So this is where you either have to hold or you falls back on you. If you hold above the 16, you're good. If it pulls back under it, that's the range break. You got to break that range and hold that range. Hope you guys got into this. Anybody getting this one? This is a good trade. Now, the exit's either going to be 16. If it holds 16, we go to 21. If we don't hold 16, we got it. You can pretty much wait and see if it'll hold it again, but it needs to stay above the 16 here. You have to stay above it. There's a break point like 14, but I would say 14 is low, no lower than 12, 11. No, you got to be out of this if it goes under 11, for sure. 11, 9, I guess you could say 9, but I don't want to be that late. We just pinpointed a major move there. Come on, hold that 16. Let's go. There you go. Get to that gravity level. Come on, boys. Push that gravity level. 21. So we know if we can break this area right in. There's our gravity level right there. We're so close. Boom, there it is. Now we either go and hold this or we short here. We hold this, guys, we should haul ass right here. At least up to that 27 up there. Up in this area. I think that's higher than 27. I think this is probably going to be about 37. There it is. Right to it. Bam. Look at this, boys. What a trade. Right there to the bears. Right smack to the bear level. Right to them. If she holds the gravity line, we stay in. She gets under it, you got to get out of it. Because she will short you back down at that gravity level every single time. $3,000. Done. Out. That was nice, guys. Hope you guys got that call because that was beautiful right there. We went right to the bear area. Right here. Right there. Actually, we went higher than the bear area, but I think the bears are kind of structured up. We went right to the bear area. The bear area is right here, guys. Actually, I moved this off. So it's like right in here. 36 right here. It's like right in that area. That's where we went to, though. We went to 36. It's right to them because they're sitting right to 38. But we got that one, so it's good. It's a massive trade. And that's a bank level we just passed also. You know, bank level sitting up there is what? Yeah, 33? 33 is the bank level. So that's why we went there. And the bears are just above it. So your bank level is sitting right there. Right there at 33. So this is what we got to break for continuation. Again, is 33. And then you got to break that 37. Let's see, this is the problem right here, guys. Now we need to hold these bears. If we can hold the bears at 30, like right there where we're sitting at, we got to get past 37. Because the barrier is around 37, I think. We've kind of structured it up to about right here. 3650, let's just say right in this area right there. Oh, yeah. Boom. Just watch and see if they hold this. If they hold this, this is going to be a massive move right here. We're going straight to 60. We're just going to haul ass from here. There's my next level right there, 44. Once you get 45 out of this, guys, it's over with. 45 is just going to take us right around here. Right about there. About that 56 level is what we're looking for. 56 to 60, guys. And now we know the Bulls have their players sitting at 40, say 49? Yeah, it's right there at 49. It's right here. Your big Bulls are sitting right here. Right there. Right there. Actually, it's right there. Right there. That's the big Bulls are all sitting right there waiting to move it higher at the 49. So that's where we got to get to, guys, 49. We get 49.12. It's 49.12, but we don't have a 12, so it's just 49. And there's where the 49 will just, if they can capture this 49, they're going to smoke this shit to 60. It's going to go straight to 60 from here. My God, it's on fire. Come on, boys. Right here's where we want to go, right there. Come on, we can do this. What we got to look for is we know that Friday and yesterday both, the Bears were sitting at 57. Right here. 56.50, sitting right there. Those Bears love that level right there, around that 56, 57 right here. And once you break above the Bears, breaking above the Bears is 58. So you'll see it right here at 58, guys. It'll break above these Bears. Trying to push that 60 level. There he goes. Hell yeah. Now we can try to move up through here. If we can break this area and hold this area, guys, we could probably go up here to our other boys. And yeah, we would probably come up here around the 72 level. My God, what a massive bunch of craziness. We'd probably come to about right around in, no, I don't think it's 72. I think it's higher than that. Let's see. Yeah, it's about 72.75. It's about right here. 72.75. It's up here. But you got to be above that 58, though. That's a definite. But the good thing about this is 60. There's bulls sitting at 60 to push it up. But you got bears sitting at 58 to push it down. But see, our last trade, guys, was street grain. Look at this one. Same thing. Now we need to break these bears at 58 and go. Now the bulls are wanting continuation at 63. They're going to add money at 63. Right there, 63. That's where they're going to add their money, right there. 60, 63 area. So what we do is that we wanted to take these bulls to the bears to the cleaners. We're wanting to go to 72 with these guys. 72.75, which is right. Well, there it is, 73. That's where we're trying to go anyway. And if we move that up, we'll probably just try to push them just above the 70, about 76, 78 level. But that 72.75 is perfect. 73, just say 73. 73 is perfect, guys, for the run up. Man, this is a stupid ass trade. Gee whiz. And there's that 77 I was telling you guys about. Oh, get your ass off there. So there's a 77 I'm talking about right here. 76, 77. See that? Now remember, 73 right here is that bank level. Right there. So you're going to come short on the bank. They're going to try to short us. It ain't going to work, though. So we got to be careful right here to make sure we don't get caught in this trap in case they do short us, because this comes back to 61. So what do we do right here, guys? We don't be greedy. We wait and see if it holds 73. If it does, great. But we don't be greedy here. Bam. Out. $5,000 out. Done. Boom. That was 2 trades, $8,000. 2 trades. So I hope somebody got that. Did anybody get any of that? Because, man, that's a massive move right there, guys. Even if you got into 63, 61 right there, I told you. And this is going to keep going up here. Probably, I would say we're probably going to push this target to 88. We could get 88 out of this.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was my second trade of the day.
Dang, look at that tip. Tip got 5,100.
Dang. I'm charging you, Tip. I'm charging you for the referral.
He's right there with me, bro.
Nice. Fuck yeah. That's awesome.
Man, you got to put that in the tip. You got to definitely go put that in the earning thing for the day and put on their live room. That's hilarious, bro. That's absolutely killing it. Yeah, see, Max would have got more if he had that consistency. That's awesome. 3K on another account. Man, that's awesome, man. Look at that. Rizzer got 740. You got 3K on one account, 15 on another. Matt Moxie got some off of it. JoJo got $1,000 with it. 870 on the day, man, with micros. That's killing it, Keith. The structure on this thing is about 78, guys. They're trying to push the 78 up to 90. You're going to try to get 78 to 90 here, guys. They'll run this 90 level. So now I'm going to show you guys something, what they're planning on doing with these bulls. This is just testing. I'm just going to show you all this. Watch. This ain't a trade. I just want to show you what they're going to do with this. So I'm just going to keep this one contract, right? And just test. Okay. I'm just going to let this one contract stay there. I know it's not a trade, guys. I'm just showing all this for a reason. But what you'll see, well, let me show you what I mean. See, when you're playing around with the market makers, when you're playing with market makers, look at this. Flagged. Flagged along, baby. So we know they're flagged, but you got to know the levels when you get to flag. But man, that just absolutely terrorized those bears. I mean, that was just amazing. That's amazing. If you should be done by now, because that right there was the trade. That was massive. It's like we got the $3,000 the first one, 5 the second one. We took $8,000 off that run up. And this morning, we already did what 2, 3, 3, 6, 6, 8. So yeah, I'm about right 16.3 on the day for calls there. Not bad. It's awesome, man. Just brutalize those boys. Now the thing about this, guys, is she's getting way up in here. So now we know that we're going to start putting some stuff on here because now we know there's a bunch of brutalized stuff up here. So this right here, guys, this 73 right here, that's a bank level sitting there. Okay. And then you got your secondary level off that bank level that comes up through here, which will be the 78 up here, guys. We'll mark this one too, because this is the pullback range. It's 78 right here. Right there. That's your pullback level. Right there. Okay. Then you got the final up there, the big one, which was 90. That's where it went to and hit that one. We already hit this one too. We hit this also. Right there. So it came all the way to there. 89 is where she stopped at, but 90 is the pullback range. These are 2 pullback ranges in the market. This is your bank level. Okay. And then when you get down here, what's really funny about this, where I told you guys to add the contracts or jump in at or whatever you wanted to do, I told you guys they were trying to go long here at 61 or right here, right there, right at 60, guys. They wanted to break this bank level right here. So they broke the bank level, got it at 61, 63, and just killed it up through there. Then your other one's sitting down there about, what is it, 33, right in here. You got another bank level sitting right here, 33, so we'll mark that one too.
What do you have the gravity line on NQ at?
We broke it at what was it?
At
Was
each 25?
821.50. 821.50. Boom, right there. Now you guys can see it perfectly. See this? We came up here, we broke the 98, 802, 806. We got it 806, we broke 11, 12, 16, 21, and gone. You think your mic's got static, Rizzler?
Let me turn it down a little. How's that now?
No, it's still there. Yeah, it's still like.
That's probably my fan. Let me turn it down a little bit more. How's that?
Yep, that's what it is. Whatever that is, that's what it was.
Okay, cool. No, I just turned on the gain.
That's cool.
Yeah, I got the same mic as you, that blue. So I cranked up a little because sometimes late at night I don't talk as loud, so people are like, "What?"
Yeah, that was an absolute tear. They trapped those boys and ran. Yeah, it's still pretty loud. There, that was not. Did you must have cut off or something? It was like pretty loud. I don't know if anybody else hear it. You could hear it pretty good though on my end. Probably because I got these headphones on though. But anyway, guys, we're looking for like that 78, bro. If you're gonna get 78 to hold here, guys, you'll try to get back to 90 with this, because 90, if they can hold 90, they can really run this market. They really can run this thing up, man. I mean, because I know where they're trying to go. These boys are trying to get way up there today. This is insanity. This is insanity. My big level of the market, guys, my big monster level, let's see. If I was going to try to run this market, where would I want to go? I would want to go right to about there. And about right there. I'd want to go about right here. Right around this area, right there. I think it's about 9. Oh, no. Kind of looking at it. Yeah, I'd be 10 right there. I would be looking at 9, 10. That's what I'd be looking at. This is going to get really stupid up through here. We're just going to see if we can hold this shit up through here. 78 is going to be the key, though, because 910 would be after the 90. After you get past 90, they try to get the 910 out of it, because they would get 90, 900 to 910. And then from there, they probably push it up to about 915. Because their overall target, the big target they want to get to, if they can get to today, would be 920 even. 920 is the big target right here. This is the target before the dip levels start taking effect. So you got 20 right there, and 10, and 900. All three of these big monster levels right here. Rizzer, you told Tip he owed you a reference fee, a finder's fee. That's hilarious. It's hilarious. Tip did good, though, man. I hope somebody else did really good in here, too. It's really awesome, guys. This is a massive trade right there. You're waiting for her to break this 90, see if we can establish this 900 up through here. Because this 90 level right here, guys, is crucial. Let's see, these bulls want to hold this 90. If they can't hold the 90, they won't do anything with it. But if they can, man, they'll run this thing. Absolute killer. Wow. That's funny, Tip, because you had the same contracts I had too. He went with 8. He matched me. I do that 6 though, man. They were looking at that 6 all morning. We took that trade at 6, man. 625. We got way up here, guys. We all got in right here. Right there, 625. We just ran this thing from 625 all the way up. Absolute beautiful. Now we just got to hold this. We got to hold above the 78 here, and we got to break the 90. So we got to hold this level right here and get back to this level. When we get this level, we'll start looking at this 900 up here. Because it went to 93. It's already been up here to like 93. 93 even. It was 93 even where it came to. Because they like to push this one if they can. We have 8s. 8, 8, 8, 8, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. See, I got really strong on the 8s. They came into the 4s halfway through. So that tells you it's kind of wicking a little bit. Where the Bears will try to do their damage to us will be 60. 60.50 right here. Because it's the bank level and it's also a buyback level for the Bulls. This level right here has two rules in it: a buyback and a try to sell under. So they know they can try to get that going, but we'll see what happens here. See, we want to break this level right there. It's got to get above it. See, if they're above this one right here, guys, this is where they're trying to break this. They want to be above this level right here. They got to just hold that above if they can, because it's crucial for them breaking this 90 level to go back to 93 anyway. So what I mean? So you had to break that. If not, you'll pull back to the secondary level, which is like right in here. Because they have a pullback on this. Oh, shoot. Pullback on this is about 80, friggin' 84, I think it is. It's like right in here. So they're trying to get back to the original target at 93 to push it. So they want 900 out of this. That's where they want to go next. But now, since you're above pullback range, they love to peak above pullback ranges and then drop the market, which is right here. This is your pullback range right here. So you cannot be, it doesn't, the 75 level down here, this is your major pullback is 75. Your big pullback is 66. So you can gauge this by 66 and 75 right here, because this is your first pullback, 75 is your second, and 84 is your third. So as long as you're above the 84 here, you can hold this. You put your stops to 84 and let it go. Da-da-da. Come on, 94. Let's go to 900. Come on. Don't give up now, Bulls. Hell, you got this thing. Run with it. I love that pullback level, though. That's for sure. So you can make money right there, but it's just you got to get in and just take it. See, it's coming back to 84, 83, 85, 85 right there. So if it hits 84, I know I'm out. See, right there. Or bounces back off 84 and goes back up. Because it'll either bounce off 84 or go back up, or it'll come under 84. But this is going to be it's going to try to be a short here for the Bears. If the Bears want to short this right back down, and they're only going to get 82 more than likely. It'll probably bounce back off 82 and go right back up, guys. Just watch 82, 81. If they don't break the 82, 81, it's not happening. It just won't happen. Because they can go right there and go right back to 81 and go right back where it came from. Which, as long as you know where they're trying to get back down to, and this is the bounce back right here. Right there. Right there. It's like right here somewhere. Ah, stupid mouse. Right. Oh, you stupid thing. Damn, I can't get this thing to go where I want it to go. Right there, 81. That's the bounce back. If the Bears can't break that 81, it ain't happening. It'll bounce up at 81, go right back to the top every time. It's just a stop loss taker. 10 points, 91, 81. Pulls back to 81, takes people's stops, and goes right back up. Massively crazy. That's what this is. See, guys, patience pays. We sat through all that crap. Remember I told you those market levels were sitting at 71? Yeah. That's 771. That's the structure of this morning off that 80 level down there. So we knew that shit was going to happen playing in those levels, but we were waiting for the 60. We were waiting for that 6. We were waiting for the 806 level this morning. And when we got it, we just took it. It's just structure trading. That's all it is. Just structure. Now, this bull run here, guys, this is the one you're supposed to hold. Like, this is the one you hold until we get flagged short. We don't get out of this until they flag us. We stay in this until it flags. And it might be tomorrow. So we'll see when they flag us again to go short. If they don't flag me short, I'm just going to see what happens. Just going to wait. Even if it through the losses and all, just see what it does. I want to see what these guys are going to do here. Oh, mercy. I think I come up with a good idea, though, guys. Putting those buy stops in. I think that's kind of cool because I can show you guys where I'm looking at and just mark it that way. That way I have to get on. I can just, because I know sometimes people are like, oh, I can't get in because you jumped in too soon. So if I just mark it with a buy stop, that way you guys will know. Let's see how they're trying to break this 81 here. Let's see if they get down here to this level, about this 75.50. Well, it's actually about 75 even, I think. Yeah, it's about 75.25. So the Bears know they can't. The Bulls know that if you can't break this level right here, 75. If they can't get 81.75, it's never going to work for them because you're going to bounce off those two levels coming back. But if they ever break 75, then you definitely got to be out of it. You definitely got to make sure you're out of it because it will kill you. If 75 just starts that move, and then 68 finishes it. So this 68 right here is really big time dangerous for the Bulls right there. It's 68, guys. So if you wanted to, like, so you guys know I'm not trading this, I'm just showing you this. So I can show you this on this chart. Actually, it's lower than that. It's right here. Right there. That's right there. 68.75. Right there is where you do not want to be. I couldn't show you before because I'm trading this, but I'm not trading it now, so I can show you where that stop is. That's exactly where they don't want to be. And I'll show you where exactly where I'll show you where this thing is supposed to be going. This one on this trade, what they're trying to do is they're trying to break this because this trade's trying to go to right here. Right there. 90925. So now you can kind of see what you're looking at. This is where the Bears are trying to short us to kill us. But they got their short levels, they got their 81, their 75 in here. So 81 and 75 are bounce backs. This is the massive one where it kills you. This is the one they're trying to hold to get to here. It kind of puts it all in perspective what's really going on. But we got to get above the 90. It has to be above 90. See, the full reversal of this, if you had a 1 hour, if you were looking at the 12-minute, like I do a lot, but the 12-minute candle's like right here. Just right there to 63. So the 63 is the bottom of the 12-minute candle. So you got to come all the way to 63 for a full reversal, which is right above the bank level at 60. On the 1 hour, you got to come all the way down to about, it's like 806 where you jumped in at. Look at the 1 hour candle, guys. 812. Remember I told you guys 812? 812 is where the candle opened at, the big, massive 1 hour candle. It's insanity. Yep, there you go, John. You stop orders with your micros. That's a good way to do it. Because we can do the same thing with this. We could do the stop order right here and leave it and just wait and see if it breaks it. Then put your stops. You don't want this kind of stop with big contracts, but if you're trading micros, you could. If you trade like 2 micros, you could put this down here with 2 micros because it was not that big of a deal. But you can always watch this 81 right here. That's the pullback right there. 81.75. I think the Bears are going to get mad, though, for a minute. Let's see if they get mad and come down here. Try to get a 68 out of this, or 68 bounce. Because 68, if it doesn't break this, guys, they'll let these Bears come all the way to here. And they'll take these guys long right here up to 68 and go right back up. 68, 75, 81. Well, that was crazy. Yep, that's right. Catch that momentum. And think about that momentum, that gravity level, man. It's just one of the best ways to trade, especially when he comes back to it. If he comes back to this thing today, guys, for the short this afternoon, you already know where the short's going to be. This bear level and this gravity level. Perfect. It's going to start around 30, around 35, and it's going to come right down to here. Right back to 21, and it's going to zip straight down, right back to this buyback. Right here, just 99, 98 level. Mercy. Yeah, Chip killed it. I think everybody killed it on this one. I think the whole room killed this thing. That's awesome. People put their trades in here. Third day on the Blue Sky Growth account. Here, guys, I'm going to take this down for just a second. I'm going to do something real fast. I'll put this right here, and we're going to take this just like this. We got to fix something real quick. Get this off here so I can go back to the chart and fix this side of this damn thing. There we go. Now, how's that? Oh, that's not going to work. There will work right there. I'm going to come back over here, and we want to say 91.25. There. So that's the same. That's what we were looking at earlier. It's a 91 there. So, oh, shit. I'm turning the wrong chart there. Oh, come on, man. Good. Oh, there you go. I did on the wrong chart. So it's still 91 there. Just waiting to see if it'll hold this. I want to see if these bulls will push this up. So we need to get 91 out of this. 91. Then we get 95 back again. What's that? 15. 6.
Yeah, I was wondering because I was thinking about that before on Friday. Told me about the road down on Hunter, and I forgot about it. I just thought about it again.
Now now we just hold this thing all the way up to 900, 910, 920. Just keep holding it. Just let her go.
Really? They must have a lot of money. They have to be, but because they wouldn't have the balls to. I wonder if they're gonna try and mention us.
I'll be right back, guys. As you guys can see, we're still running. And that's what we want. This is pretty cool. We're going to 920. That's where we're going. That's the level. Let's see if we can get up there. Shit, I forgot my glasses somewhere. Almost to the 10, guys. Almost to the 10. And know that we're going to have an issue right at 20. So this 20 right here is my target.
Because the information he knows how to
30,
mitigate
20,
whatever
1975, whatever. It's up there.
he's knowing how to talk to other people, especially courts.
Mm. Well, the 10, it went to 9.975. Really? That's hilarious.
I think that's the problem. Yeah. The only route paid, otherwise everything goes. Doesn't need to be enough. It's gonna be a dick no matter what. Even if we were to make him happy with all of the
Well, all right, guys, we're trying to get here to the 20. Trying to push up to the 20, guys. The 15 is going to be a problem, though. 15, 16. I just marked them, guys. Just mark them. Next target up's 31. Next target up will be right about here. If we hold this, which I don't know if we're going to, but 31 will be the next target up. It's kind of a given there. Because the dip level's 25, so yeah, I'm looking at about 31 even. About 31 even, guys. That's where I'm thinking. I'm just absolutely killing this shit. The 91.50 entry and just killed it. Right above the 90. But that 20 right there is a big deal. That's getting right back near that gravity line sitting 20. Not gravity line, but the dip level. That dip level sitting right there at 20. So that right there is a good indication. If we can't get above that 20 and stay, we could get shorted right there big time. Because that 20 goes all the way back to where my entry's setting, like 94, just above my entry. Because the pullback on this would be like 19, 6, 98, 94. So 94 is the big move right here. This 94 level right here. That's your big giant short off that 20. That would flag for long, so I know, right, Rich? One heck of a day, man. This is insanity. This is a big market day. It's a massive market day. That was right awesome. That 606, that 606 was beautiful. Then the add-on contract 661 was even better. Yeah. They must have expected bad earnings because it's going to bring the market come crashing down. But if it does have good earnings, guys, we already know where it's going to go. If Tesla has good earnings, we're talking 961. Then it break the 961 up to just about the 16,002. Because we got levels at 16 even. There's a level sitting right there. Right there. 1601 right there. 16.75 right there. There's a big, massive level sitting there at 16,000. There's one just above it, 602. Now I'm looking at probably, I would say, just right around that 96 level. Right there, about 96.50. But that's a massive level up through there. So if they do that, and it runs up, guys, that's where she'll go. If they bring it down, then pretty much we already know where she's going to go. Right here. Right back to the gravity line. What time's those earnings? Are they after the market? After the close? Kind of strange. Usually when you got Tesla and Netflix on the same day, you have a shitty market. But I think they're letting it run on purpose because they know if it gets down to 70, it's going to be done anyway. 70 right here. The 69, 68, guys, is massive. This is a big fall, and it falls all the way back down here, way down here to 820, which is right by our gravity line. So if this gets under this on Tesla, it's going to come all the way down again. But if it goes back up, then we're looking way up in here somewhere, way up there. Right now we're flagged for long, so we're staying long. At 4 o'clock, we bring the market maker chart up. Or let's wait. We just keep using this. We already get the levels in anyway, but it's awesome. It's awesome, guys. It's been a great day. Hell. I sneeze really bad. Oof. That's where I posted my chart on there. I think it's. Where did my chart go? I posted. Mm. I'll be right back, guys. So I posted my chart in futures chat, guys. I posted on there futures chat. Pretty cool. And we're just gonna wait now to see what these guys are gonna do because we know we're trying to hold the 20 here. So we just kind of hold the 20, try to get back 27, maybe 31 be next. Let's wait and see what she does. Yeah, where's her? I see where you liked it. Yeah, we killed it. Absolutely destroyed that move. I was just telling FOMO trader, look at the gravity level on YM entry 34,743. That was 7040. That was 743, guys. Up to 155. Yep. It was horrible until they called up the lag outside the zones. But we knew that the NQ was terrible, guys, for that contraction phase. So the problem with this is what people didn't see, but we've seen this, guys. This is how we knew this is going to blow the top off, is our gravity level. But the 806, we already knew the bulls were trying to get in this. But between 10:45 to about 11:30, right in here. So this 10:45 to about 11:30 right here. This was all contraction on the candle charts. Every bit of this. Okay. So we had the contraction phase here. Okay. So the bulls, the big money bulls, were sitting at 25 anyway. 825 right here. They were sitting right. We're sitting at 21. They're sitting right here at 25. So the big money bulls were waiting for it to cross the 25 to get in, but we were going to get 21. We got into 6. Okay. But we knew the reason we got into the 6 is because down at the 98 was the structure. Okay. The 907 was a minor league buyers, or 807 right here. We got into 6 because we knew they were getting in 7. That's why I told you guys 6. So we jumped in at 6, caught the 7 move with those guys, push it 21, market maker sitting 25, boom, slam. See that? Right there. Right there they are. Ooh, that's the wrong one. I think they're sitting right on our gravity line, but it don't matter. They're sitting right in the same area, guys. You can see. See that? Look at that. Right there. Right there at 25. We should change this settings. Text. There. That makes it better. Market makers buy area. And this one, 98. Right there. Bulls buyback. Bear sell area. I go over here, do this again. So you can really see it and get a good picture of it. So you can post that for everybody to see. See, all this here, guys, what they'll try to do is they'll try to come back down here to this 94. 94 is the bounce back. So if they break 94, then yeah, we got 87. So 94 down here, you got to be careful right here at this 94 level, right there. 94.87. Okay. So that's kind of cool. These top of here. Need those on there. No, there we go. Everybody should be green today, man. Everybody on the planet should be green. This is crazy. This is all based on those damn earnings they got coming in later. That's why I just put on there too in the futures chat. Let's see how the earnings play out later. Because if the bears are going to want to try to short this market, they got a nice big short now, way down through here, because they got a nice big run up. So it could be a nice big run down all the way down to 32. It breaks at 28 down to 16, go right back to the top of the range. So I mean, it could be a massive fall from here, but it won't start happening until it breaks to 70, 65, up to 65. Because the bulls got that level established at 60 anyway for a buyback. So it goes down to 60, guys, right here. This line right here, 60.75. So this line right here is going to be changed to, this line will be green. The coordinates on this are going to be 60.75 right there, okay? And we're going to put on here bulls buyback. This way you guys will know that's exactly these bulls want to structure this. 60.75 right there. Right there. So the bears have got to break that. If the bears don't break that buyback line, they're done. They're just done. It can come down right here, boom, and just go boom. Oh, never mind. Get out there, stupid. I hate that shit. Why? I just hate that. It's like you try to get it to go off, and it just won't go off the chart, you know? Stupidness. So we just wait now for the pullback and reverse back up. We still didn't get our 31 target. Well, I think we did. We got 31, I do believe. No, we got 27, 28. So we didn't get to 31, but it's all right. Because now we're just going to be bouncing off this 906 up here anyway, because you're going to watch this 906 right here, guys. Right there. Right there's the key. 906 and bounce. That's all you got to do is watch 906, because that's where we're trying to move up again. Now, we hope this starts a new contraction area, because if it does, we got it made. If we go sideways here between the 20, let's say the 15 and the 6, you know, we got it made. Here comes Nancy. Nancy's trying to roll again. You got one Nancy right here. See it? Nancy 1, Nancy 2. You can barely see it, but you can see a W pattern right here. See the down, the up, and the move? There's your W pattern right there. Boom. Pull buyback. Pull back to the level here. Bounce off this one, bounced off that, bounced off here, here, and here. Now you come back to 906, and you try to hold this 906 level right there. Just like the 806, same thing. Like I told you, I'm just going to let this thing run until it's flagged. I'm not getting out of this short until it's flagged short. I'm staying in this no matter what. Even if it breaks even if it goes all the way back down to 60, I'm still going to hold it. I'm just going to watch and see what happens for the rest of the day. Just going to see where we wind up at. Negative Nancy. That's right. This thing is seriously getting crazy up here. Oh, I'm sitting here. I guess I could do something here. Let's go over here to I meant to do this. I didn't do it. Wow. That's crazy. This is massive, you stupid over here on this Russell chart. Where the hell are they? Can't even see them on here. I think that's it right there. Let's see. Yep, it is. Hmm. Oh, there's all kinds of levels on the Russell. 1894. 1894 was the gravity on it in 1881. It's barely sitting above the gravity level now at 95. It went all the way up to friggin' 1900. What's going on with that chart, though? It's kind of weird. Oh, I know what's going on with that chart. Put the wrong symbol on it. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. 1968. Wow. So the gravity line on there was 1968-1 on the Russell, guys. The upper and lower is 57.4. So it broke that. It broke the 68.1 straight up. 1968.1 all the way up to 1993.3. That is unbelievable. Let me show you guys if I can find out where this thing is at. I'll bring a chart up and show you another little way to do something on your chart. Crap. Okay, so let me get rid of all these. I hope this doesn't affect this. All drawings. There we go. Get rid of this one too. Do you guys want to see something really strange? Wait till I show you this. This is strange. Look at this. This is really strange. This is kind of mind-blowing, but okay, this would be like two charts combined into one. Look at this. Oop. Yeah, it's good. Look. Now look. You got a Renko chart with a candle chart. Your Renko chart's chasing your candle chart. Isn't that some crazy shit or what? Isn't that cool though? You got a Renko chart chasing the candle chart. So the Renko chart identifies what the candle chart's doing. You don't really take trades off the Renko chart because the Renko chart will move. As you can see, watch the Renko chart try to move up here. See at 23, 125. So the Renko chart's on the price. That's great, man. That's pretty cool right there. That's awesome. I do this sometimes. I'll watch it just like, wow, it's mind-blowing. And you can see the pullback. See a big giant move here. See a big giant moves. But you can't. You see the thing about this is you gotta be careful because this shows this move. This is part of this move, right? This is this pullback. This pullback right here. See, this move right here is this move right here. This pullback is this pullback. So it's kind of like weird, but you guys kind of get the picture. But what I want to do with this, let me get off here and see if I can. Oh shit! Whoa! What did I just do? Oh shit! Come on, gee whiz! There. That's the wrong one there too. What the hell are we doing here? It's got my 4-hour chart up there. That don't make any sense. There's my 4-hour, guys. See it? Come on, stupid ass. The fuck? Sorry, guys. I get really mad when shit's stupid like this. Just leave that chart. Okay, finally. God almighty. Dang. That's why I hate putting up more than one chart. It's absolutely stupid sometimes. Okay. There, finally. Okay, let me go over here and redesign this one, and I'll bring it back for you guys. It just took my complete 4-hour down I was using. I've been working off my 4-hour, guys, with you guys this morning, too, because it's really kind of cool to have that 4-hour up. So now it says I can't bring the 4-hour back up. Oh, my God, come on. Well, I guess we'll get out of that one. And we'll just have to get out of this one, too, because it's being stupid. So,
Mike, there's an indicator called ICT HTF candles,
yeah.
and that'll give you multi-time frames on a single chart. So if you don't want to have 4 charts open, you can just have you can have the different timelines on the same chart. So,
Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, I've heard about it. I've seen it before. It's kind of neat. It really is. I'm just trying to figure out what to do with it. I'm trying to figure out what the hell my chart went. I just built a chart and it's gone. I had that on there, guys. It's just totally lost. It just totally lost itself. Okay, so let's go back and see if we can try this again. If I can get it right. There it is. Let's see, what I want to do with this, though, is I want to take this and I want settings on it changed. What the hell? Strange. Very strange. It won't go on. Come on. That's where I wanted it, right there. I want to change this back over here to the right side. Well, we're trying to get it to go on the right, not the left. There we go. This makes sense. Strange. But yeah, I've heard about that, man. It's really cool. It's a cool thing. Yeah, because you put that in your chart, guys, you can see where the 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour daily is all green. It kind of goes on your chart. And I think if I'm right, because I think when I was, yeah, you can put it on you can take the 6 hour off and the 5 hour and the 3 hour and the 2 hour. I would leave the 1 hour and the 4 hour up on those. Definitely. And have your labels on 1 hour and 4 hours also. Because if you do it that way, guys, because I've used it before, if you do it that way, it'll come out like this. It'll come out kind of like this right here. See, on your chart, see the 4 hours there, the 1 hour is 4 hour, and the 5 minute. And there it is right there. See it? So you got all of them, like you said, you get all of them on there. I had it. I just haven't used it in a long time. But yeah, it's a great indicator. Did you guys get the other one I was trying to tell you guys about? Hang on, let's see if I got it again. Here it is. Let me go here and find it, guys. I'll put it up there for you. I was gonna let you guys just do it in class, but I'll just give it to you now. It's check this one out. This is the guy's name. It's investor, right there. There you go. So what that'll do, guys, if you add that to your chart, that will show you when you get a pin bar indication. It tells you where the bears are going to, they're trying to pull it back. Or a bullish pin bar means they're going to run it up. A red pin bar means they're going to run it down. Okay. It'll look just like this on your charts when you put it on there. I just added it for you to show you. You see right here? See these bearish pin bars? See, they're going to tell you. See how you pull the bearish pin bars down? Bearish pin bar. Now what you're looking for is you look for the bullish pin bar to buy it back up. You can catch moves and trades off of these. If you're smart, when you see a bearish pin bar, you got to wait for it to hold, though. You can't, as soon as it pops up, you just don't take it because it pops up. You got to wait for it to hold and then take it. But it will help you. You can see the bearish pin bar came in on the candle at 1220 and it shorted. That gives you guys a couple of things. Thanks, Rizzler, for helping out. Appreciate it, man. Whatever helps us trade, guys, whatever we can do to help each other, Look at this thing running my 31 level. It's going to run my 31 all the way up. We're trying to get to 951 now. 151 is the next level. But we got to be careful now because the pullback dip level is 34. So you got 34 right here, guys. It's like right in here. Where this white line sitting? Right here. This is the dip level sitting in the market. But now we're trying to get to here. We're trying to get to like 50. I think it's 54. No, 51. So we're just trying to get up here to this other level. It's about right there. Right there. You can see the bearish short is at 44. Fairly wood. And you can see on this candle right here, there's a bearish pin bar coming on the candle as we speak. Now it's going away. But see, they'll come on, guys. They'll go away. You got to wait till they hold and stay on the candle. I have a lot of guys been using them for a while. Rich has been using it for a while. He's good with it. Damn, Tip, you killing it today, man. So, Tip's that another 2,300 you made again? Dang, that's awesome. I hear you, man. Save it up for blue skies. Right here, minus 30, 44, 39. These guys. Amazing. So I found out there's a couple of people from other companies that are watching me. So if you're in there watching me for another company, glad to have you. Just hope you ain't copy trading me, unless you tell me. That's hilarious. I hear you, Tip. I hear you. That's a fact, man. So, guys, we're just waiting now for the 51, 44 to 51, and we got to hold this 30, 31 level, 30, 34 to get back up to the top up here, see what we can do. This is insanity. Today is just crazy. We took off the gravity level and just absolutely flew. Just go right up there. Yeah, man, that's what it's all about, bro. Trying to help each other get through this. Trading's not easy, but days like this, man, are good days. But man, tomorrow, I'm hoping that if we do have those earnings and bring us back level, but if we don't, man, tomorrow's gonna be one crazy day. And you have days like this, the market actually do crazy shit the next day. Make money day one day and take money the next, and take big money tomorrow. To be out for revenge. So we know that they're trying to get this 26 down here. See, 26 could fall all the way down to like 900, guys, right around this area. Right there is where if they don't break this 900 down here, it will never happen. 991 down there are the two big keys. Everything else can fall down there, but if they don't break 91.50 where I'm sitting, it will not go down. Yes, get under 91 first. So I'm sitting right on top of a prop level. So we'll have to see what she does from there. That's right, man. The grind. But what days like this, man, when you can make the money in this thing, you can make the money today. You can make enough money for the whole month. That's what people count on. Just getting in there with their funded accounts and getting the money for the whole damn month, getting out of it. You ain't got to trade but one day. But if you get your money on big days like this, you skip the crazy days. Just don't even trade and just wait. Give it a day, let it be crazy. Then go in the day after, you'll start seeing the market turn around again. Do the same thing, big day. It's usually about 2 days a week we have big running days on pair and both sides. So say Monday, you made a little bit. Tuesday, big market day. Tomorrow, if it sucks, don't trade. Thursday, come in. If it's kind of mediocre, maybe take a trade or two. Boom, Friday, it runs again, make big money. That's what you do with it. You just kind of watch it. And on big money days, you take advantage of the big money days, especially once you get an account built up past 10, 15 grand. Then you pick the days you want to trade on. And that's when you become the pro. You just sit out. Maybe take one trade, couple grand, 2, 3 grand in the morning, boom, done. Big money day comes the next day, sit in it, 10, 12 grand, out. That's my philosophy. That's right, man. That's how you do it, Adrian. I mean, to me, you don't, you got to have it as a trader. When we structured this company, guys, I am a trader, and you guys know I'm one of the owners of Blue Sky. So when we opened this, I was pretty much the first person to start digging in and getting things done. So we kind of looked back and said, hey, I said, I am a day trader and I know what these traders want. We don't want this, that, and the other. I don't want that. I got tired of all the evals, just like you guys did. And that's why I opened Blue Sky, to do something totally different than everybody else. To give people a chance to actually make money. Because once you're funded, you make money, you pay out when you want. You have a big market day and you want to pay yourself out, great, But that's the thing about it. You go through these days where you have crappy days in the market. But if you got a big account that's padded, you ain't got to trade at all. You can just hang out and maybe trade one trade or something and just leave. We have the best job there is. I don't know anywhere where you can go into the markets, man, and come out with like 18, 19 grand in a day. I don't think there's any job out there that I know of that I could get right now that would pay me 19K in a day, or 6 grand before 6 grand. And, like this morning, guys, We had like what, like 5 grand in 9 minutes this morning. Who makes 5 grand in 9 minutes? You know, by 10 o'clock we already had 8,000. And by 1:30 we've already got 17, 18.5. It's like nuts. Who makes what 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 4 hours makes 18 grand in 4 hours? You know, that's nuts. What's funny though is it's kind of cool now because when I look back on it, I could make $18,000 when I first started trading. I could make $18,000 a year, so it's kind of cool. I'd be lucky to make 1,000, so it's kind of ironic when you look back all the shit you went through to get where you're at. I hear you, John. I hear you, man. That's the thing I went through. The same thing. I had a hard time. I had a hard time learning how to say no, and blow accounts and keep trading, blow some more, break a few things here and there along the way. Laptops, keyboard, mouse. And just do it. But see, people don't be honest about it. They won't. They don't. You see guys out there on YouTube and all these people. Oh yeah, I made this today. I made that. They never say, yeah, I lost 30 grand trying to learn how to trade. Or I gave up 35 grand of my own money learning this shit. They never say that. And you guys know I don't hide it. I mean, guys have seen me lose 20 grand in a day. So I mean, you can ask Rich Forever to trade with me. He's seen me lose 26,000 in one day. Wow, look at that. That's a disaster. That's a picture. I broke all kinds of shit. Oh yeah. I trade the FOMCs, but I've learned how to trade those Fed meetings. So I kind of watched but I've learned off the Fed meetings from watching the market makers trade. I watch what they do before I make a decision on that damn Fed meeting, because now we know where they're going to be sitting, so it's not a big deal. Like right now, they're all sitting. These big market makers, they're all hanging around this area. They're 25. They're all right here. Every one of them. They're just waiting around because they got this big leg up. But it is though. It's a daunting task to learn how to trade, man. It's mind blowing. It's emotional. It's craziness. It's the hardest thing we'll ever do, but it's also one of the best things you'll ever do. I trade what I see. I don't trade what I hear. I don't trade what people say. I actually don't really have I just go in the market and look for my entries. That's what I do. I plan in the mornings to figure out where they're going to go. Like this morning, you guys see me. I planned out, hey, this is what we're going to try to get right here, 801. And that's what we did. We took the 801 and I planned it out for say, hey, look, we're trying to go 806, go back to 806 and go long. And that's what I look for. Just certain areas. Like this 91. It's perfect. It's not always that easy. We know that. It's not always that easy. Some days we get these markets that are just absolutely stupid. I thought today they were going to be stupid this morning after we got the big move right here. I thought they were going to get dumb right here and just keep this things, being dumb around these areas. But they finally got back to this area we wanted. And they got this 806 out of the way. We're holding this shit though. This is a blue market maker run up. And as you guys, they're just going to try to hold this above this 94.50. They can get it up there at 94 again and run it up again. Because these boys got their eye on the target up here. They got these market dip levels that are going to get in the way though, because you got 50 in the way. The 50, 54 probably. There's like another dip level sitting around the 62, but 62 is our target right now. That's our high level 62. That's what we called this morning, 61, 62. So this is about where we're trying to go right here. This is the level we're trying to get to. We got to get to 49 and 54 though before we get there. If we break that, it's over. Those will pack you bags of 70. But that's my big level, 70. Matter of fact, we should just go ahead and mark it. We should just mark this, guys, because this is important right here. And this is this is probably the most important level of the day right here. Around 69.25 right here. 7.5, sorry. Right there. Because this is the upper. Let's see. Ooh. This is your major bank level. Sitting up there. Okay, so we know that's going to happen, probably. I'm looking at this level right here. This level right here, guys, is going to be another important level. Is going to be right here. Right about here. Around that 61.75 area. Okay. And then you got the market level where she's sitting out at 44. And then you got another one sitting at about, let's see. Yeah, the dip level sitting about right. Well, let's see. Actually, that's going to be about the 50 right there. About the 49.50. It's kind of like right here. Kind of like right there. It's like a market dip level sitting right there. Yeah, another one's going to kind of creep out around. Yep, that's 61. So yeah, that's about it right there, guys, for now. That's what we're kind of looking at, though, is these little dip levels in the big level. Well, we have pullback levels, though. We got 38 and 26 right in here. We got 38 right here, and we got 26 down here. So there's two more levels right here at 38 and 26 we got to worry about. But that's not no big deal right now. Pullback is right here, 38.75, right there. That's your pullback. The next one's down to 26. But we don't care like how far under stupid we are. We're way down here under stupid. It smashed something. Yeah, that's a smash, all right. That's more like destroying your whole room. Get you one of those stress balls. So look at the room, Dave.
That might be better.
Yeah. Could be, right? Might work. I think when I finally got detached from it, that's what helped me the most, was getting non-emotionally attached to it. Like, I just don't care. I'm just going to go in and do it. That's kind of what I look at now. Just, I have no emotions in this at all. Just go. Just either go or not go. One or the other. But I think the reason I don't have emotional attachment to it no more is because now I pretty much know what I know what I'm doing, so it's not that big of a deal. But before, yeah, I was emotionally attached. I mean, everybody you get crazy because you don't know. You get an entry and it goes against you. You get a short and it goes above you. You know, it's like, damn, it takes forever to figure out that shit. But it is. It's just it's emotional wreck sometimes, especially on a Friday, man. If you go red on a Friday, it sucks. Being red all weekend, you think about it all weekend long. Like, oh my God, I can't wait till Monday to get green. Then the Monday you go break red again. And you're pissed off again for another day. But then usually it affects people around you too. That's the worst thing about it. Because you let it start spilling into other stuff. Like you get mad and you take out others. Because it happens. Like I said, guys, I blame my dog, neighbor, wife, no matter. Wasn't me.